Hi, friends, and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. I hope all you are doing well by the grace of God. Today is Thursday, and it's a special day because it is Saint Anthony's feast. I booked a holiday for myself. I've just finished off my work and now heading home. And from there, we will be coming all together to celebrate this feast. And we're going to come together to wish you, all our lovely people, a happy feast too. Just dropped Angel to school and I've come with Nadia to range. She's got me here because we want to buy a vase. Today is St. Anthony's feast and we want to put some nice flowers. I have a vase, but it's not really that good. So we're looking at a very nice, small, cute vase. She's going to make a selection. I'm just going to come with her. So let's go to the range.
Hey guys, see this amazing flowers here. I don't know, Mama would love this.
If she was here, she would definitely tell me. Baba,
Yeah.
don't get it.
See this amazing paintings. Whenever I see house decorating stuff, I go crazy. It's like these are some nice mirrors. I love mirrors. Should we buy something like this? What do you think?
These are artificial anyways. I don't want to have artificial ones. Oh, see, two sisters talking to each other.
Yeah?
That's also nice.
What do you think? This one?
So guys, I want to show you something, yeah? You see this vase, so beautiful. Nadia's holding it. See that? You see the price? It's so cheap.
Let's explore something more.
I see, maybe here down on the bottom there are some.
Is this with this? I think this
No.
separate, right? This is a nice one.
Oh, there's a fire alarm over here. Yeah, got an announcement and got to evacuate the building. What's happening? I guess so it's fire drill happening. I should have been bored. I told Nadia firstly pick up and we'll go out. Explore. Kale explore. If fire drill happened, we had to stand out now over here. And we got to wait once it stops and then go by. They have the fire station stand out over there. You guys have heard the sound of the fire alarm going on. So let's see how long. Yeah, drill Zali, let's go.
Hey guys, we are back in store again, and see here we have some lovely vases here.
Wait, see this. See this one.
Oh, that's nice.
You buy this?
Yes, we'll go for that.
So liya kara.
Well, let's explore something more.
Explore.
No! God, please, no! No!
So guys, this is the toy section for kids, and yes, the toys are also very nice. I don't know if Angel would be here, she would go crazy.
You know what? I think when you have a party or anything, you have games to be done. This is the best place where you can come and buy some toys because They're very reasonable prices compared to other stores. We'll go to another store. I'll show you where we buy usually toys for Angel. Guys, check what Nadia is looking for. Her favorite section. I hope she's not buying more brooms. I told you all before when I was cleaning. I got so many brooms. What are you doing with this?
This is for dusting.
What dusting?
Dusting? Should we buy this?
No, it's okay. I'll figure out something else. If I don't stop, she will not stop it.
Should we buy this?
Why? Buy everything. I'll buy the whole store. See, anyone wants to buy, that's only 69 pounds in here.
These are the things like for children craft,
Angel goes mad when she comes.
DIY. You can do a lot of things.
It keeps kids very busy,
It is.
isn't it, when they do it.
Yeah,
It's very
see
cheap,
these
you can
one.
buy them. What a choice of flowers. Which do you want to buy?
Which ones? This ones, this ones.
They both look good. I like this
These
actually.
Let's give this back.
Okay, Nadia changed her mind.
I've got my flowers already, and now I'll go home and decorate.
Yeah, finally she got her flowers. After all that thing to be seen.
Isn't it nice? Guys, just see how Cashley is sleeping. Just see this, how he's sleeping with Angel's eye mask. He's so funny. Oh, Jesus.
So guys, I'm going to make pulao and some mutton. Just got up a while ago. Nadia's kept things ready for me. Angel has bring me out of the kitchen. Very nice. She's blanching the tomatoes. Very good, Angel. Thank you. I think so is good.
Alright. So guys, this is called an apron. I actually use an apron because my clothes get dirty. So I don't want it dirty. So it's wet.
So you cook every time, yeah? Tell them. You cook every
And I cook every time. And
Yeah.
this is more important to me, so my clothes didn't get dirty.
Yes, so chapter. That's it.
You always laugh.
You
You always laugh.
Okay, so you're cooking, but you're gonna make sure that you're gonna eat your food, right?
Yes.
If you
That
don't,
was a promise.
okay, now you're cooking, and if you only don't eat, then what's the point? So what I do is sometimes I get Angel to make her cook. So when she cooks, so whatever she cooks, if she doesn't eat, how can I eat? So that's how I motivate her. Try this, works out. A small celebration to celebrate the meal. We have got this pulao cooked. Angel helped me out in making this mutton suka, which is very nice. It's spicy, she won't have it, but it's very nice. And then the other side here, I've got a little bit of roast pork. I cooked it yesterday. It's become very nice. Kormel mutai pai tebashin. So let's enjoy this.
Bagiwong taton nek magne, bagiwong taton, puja nawan, puja vinoni, puja gronta kenta, puja gronta kenta, paluk Jesu rasa.
Hi friends, and here we are celebrating the feast of Saint Anthony. With this whole day that we have been spending together, I along with my family have come here to wish you one and all a happy feast of Saint Anthony. Kisha, say happy feast.
Fish.
Happy.
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 तुमकां सगळ्यांक हांव हॅपी फीस्ट सेंट एंटनी म्हणटा आनी जेजूच्या नांवान तुमकां सगळ्यांक हांव बापा कडेन पुता कडेन आनी पवित्र आत्म्या कडेन आशिर्वाद मागता आनी तुमकां भलायकेन सदांकाल दवरल्या पुरो म्हूण देवा कडेन मागता.
So friends, we end our video over here for today. Until we meet again, stay safe. God bless you all. And our final word to say, adios.